How to create custom typography using Adobe Illustrator and Lingerie XO. First, click on the word you want to customize and hit the discretionary ligatures button in the Open Type menu. It will automatically customize your type. But wait, there are more variations for the same word. To see them, select the typeface, go to the Glyphs menu, and click where the small black arrow in the bottom right corner. The black arrow is shown when there are more variations for the same glyph. Now, scroll between the options and select your favorite variation. Wanna take it to the next level? Follow me and stay tuned for Custom Typography Part 2.